We often take for granted our ability to go and get any type of anti-aging skincare product that we need, and some of them can be quite expensive. But before you go and buy that next expensive anti-aging facial product, know that there are also some very powerful skincare ingredients that have been around for centuries that can actually help reverse and even stop the signs of facial aging. I'm going to tell you all about a fabulous one that can do all of that and more and not break the bank in today's video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a skincare oil that's been around for centuries. Actually, it's a blend of 3 of them that can actually help firm up the skin, lighten dark spots, fade out fine lines and wrinkles, and even help reduce the appearance of scars. All natural, effective, and inexpensive. This particular blend of ancient skincare oils can be found in this product called Skin Envy by Vitality Extracts. Now, they didn't sponsor this video. It's a product I've been testing out. In fact, not long ago, I did a video, this one right here, on skincare oils that can actually help improve bruising on thinning, aging skin. And in that video, I actually applied that oil to some areas I had broken capillaries around my ankles. And I was able to show you guys in that video the difference that oil was able to make for me personally. So I've been testing this one out and I've gotten some very fabulous results that I want to share with you. Now, if you happen to be new to my channel and new to me, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been around doing skincare for 36 years, helping people find skincare that will work for them, not empty their wallet, and not do them more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube from someone who walks the talk, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. So yes, I get a little excited talking about these skincare oils because they go back to my days as a holistic esthetician, the roots of how I got into skincare also many years ago. So I am going to be applying this product to my face. So it means getting my hair out of my face because I don't want oil in my hair. Which one do you think is better? I think this one. And by the way, a link to this product will be provided for you down in the video description box, so you don't need to write it down. You can go check it out when we're done here today. But first, let's talk about the 3 oils that are in this product and what they actually do. The first ancient oil in this blend that we're going to talk about happens to be frankincense. Now, frankincense back in the ancient times used to be as valuable as gold. In fact, it was traded in the same way as gold was traded. And the reason for that was its powerful medicinal healing properties. It was able to increase circulation and reduce inflammation, which made it able to assist in wound healing. So a very powerful oil and what it could do for those issues alone. What about its properties and what they can do for skin and anti-aging? Frankincense actually has an astringent component, much like caffeine, and it's able to lift and tighten the skin, acting as a hydrating protective barrier, giving your skin a more supple look, all the while promoting that cellular regeneration. So a really great ingredient to have in a skincare oil. The other ancient oil in this blend is myrrh, which has been used medicinally for centuries all over the world. Not only does it smell amazing, frankincense smells amazing too, but it actually helps improve superficial circulation, giving your skin a really nice glow, and it also helps to tighten the pores. But perhaps the most powerful ancient oil in this blend is sandalwood, and sandalwood provides so many skin benefits, it's mind-blowing. It has anti-inflammatory properties which help soothe skin, making it a perfect oil for people who suffer from things like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It also has antiseptic properties, making a great antibacterial agent on the skin, helping to prevent infections. So it's helpful in the healing process of small cuts and wounds, also helps take the sting out of bees, and really helps reduce the irritation of bug bites like mosquitoes, which absolutely love me. Sandalwood is also super hydrating and moisturizing. It's able to be absorbed by the upper layer of those dead skin cells, helping to reduce dryness and flakiness, and it really has a significant impact on the look of crepey skin. It's also skin brightening, helping to reduce the look of dark marks and spots. And if all of that was not enough, it also has cell regenerating properties which help combat fine lines and wrinkles. And the reason I like Vitality Extracts is because they go to great lengths to test to make sure that their products don't have contaminants. And as a balancing base for this product, they include fractionated coconut oil, which means it won't get into the pores and clog them, and helps to cap skin moisture, along with the great benefits of these oils, strengthening your skin's all-important lipid layer. So a ton of great benefits in this all-natural, cruelty-free, obviously, sustainable, skin-friendly product that can go a long way to help with anti-aging. Now, before you use an essential oil anywhere on the skin, you always want to do a patch test on the inner elbow to make sure you don't have any sensitivities to the oil whatsoever before applying it to the face and neck. I love that Vitality Extracts has this in a roller, so you can just roll it on the skin. And I'm going to show you why I think this oil blend in a roller is so great for use on the face and neck. We often talk about stimulating the tiny muscles, the subcutaneous muscles under the skin that help hold everything up and together. We also talk about how facial massage actually can help improve collagen production. So by applying these oils with the roller, you're getting a perfect blend of the oil and you're able to massage the areas that need it the most, like frown lines and the number 11 between your eyes, and crow's feet just under the eye. You can use this just like you would your fingertips as a massage. It delivers the perfect amount of oil to the face. I'm gonna make sure I get my chin area because guys get that wrinkle right there. You can use this roller to help improve laugh lines and marionette lines. And after applying it, you simply take your fingertips and just make sure that it's massaged evenly across the skin. It smells amazing. You always want to use these oils with clean skin, and if you're using water-based serums, you want to use those first before applying the oil because the oil will block those other ingredients like vitamin C serum. This oil blend is a superb product for your moisturizing step. I've been using it at night after I apply tretinoin, and it is really soothing. Your skin is going to immediately feel super hydrated, super supple, and what I really like is it's not sticky, it doesn't stay slippery, it absorbs into the skin, and it's able to lift and tighten your skin, giving it this amazing glow. Did I already say it smells amazing? Because it really, really does. Now for the neck, those necklace lines, you can do the same thing. If you have the vertical lines that you want to treat, you can do the same thing. A lot of the new generation skincare products for the neck have rollers now, and the reason for that's the same thing we just talked about. You're able to massage those muscles and the skin gently with the roller while applying the product. And it makes it so super easy to apply, and you get the same anti-aging benefits and effects wherever you use it. Upper chest, neck, face, anywhere. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please let me know. Also, remember there's a link to that product down below in the video description box. Should you decide to use it, please come back and let us all know in the comments on this video how it worked out for you. And to watch the video that talks about the healing properties of helichrysum and frankincense on those skin tears and red marks that we get as we get older, I'm going to put that video for you right here. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate you guys so much. Stay beautiful. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.